is for apple, red and round. B is for ball, bouncing on the ground. C is for cat with a soft meow. D is for dog with a bow wow wow. E is for elephant, big and gray. F is for frog that hops away. G is for giraffe with a neck so tall. H is for house where we live, one and all. I is for ice cream, cold and sweet. J is for jump with your dancing feet. K is for kite that flies up high. L is for lion with a roaring cry. M is for monkey swinging in the trees. N is for nest where the birds say please. O is for orange, juicy and bright. P is for penguin dressed in black and white. Q is for queen with a golden crown. R is for rainbow after rain comes down. S is for sun that shines all day. T is for tiger in the jungle way. U is for umbrella when it rains. V is for van on the busy lanes. W is for whale in the deep blue sea. X is for xylophone late.